In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the 60th percentile in Excel. Whether you're analyzing data for academic purposes, working on a business project, or just curious about statistics, learning how to calculate percentiles can be highly beneficial. Excel makes it straightforward once you get the hang of it, and today I'm here to guide you through every step. First off, let's talk about what a percentile is. Simply put, a percentile is a measure used in statistics indicating the value below which a given percentage of observations in a group of observations fall. The 60th percentile, for example, means 60% of the data points are below this value. To get started with our tutorial, you'll need access to Excel. If you don't have it installed on your computer, no worries, you can use Microsoft 365 online for free, which includes Excel. Just navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online website where Word, Excel, PowerPoint and other tools are available at no cost. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you can create one quickly. It's a straightforward process. Click on the sign in button and then type in your email. You'll be prompted to enter your password next, and once you're signed in, you're ready to get started with Excel online. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using an example Excel file. This simplifies the process, allowing us to focus directly on calculating the 60th percentile. You can use your own data for this calculation, but for now, let's stick with a prepared example to ensure everyone can follow along easily. After opening the example file, it's time to dive into the calculation. Excel provides a variety of functions for statistical analysis, and one of them is the percentile.inc function. This function is incredibly useful for our needs as it returns the k-th percentile of values in a range, where k is in the range of 0 to 1. In our case, since we want to calculate the 60th percentile, k will be 0.60. Here's how you do it. Select the cell where you want the result to appear. Then you're going to type in the formula, write single quote equal sign percentile.inc C2 C5, 0.60. Replace C2, C5 with the range of cells containing your data points. Press enter and voila. Excel calculates the 60th percentile for your data. Let me break down the formula a bit more. Write single quote percentile.inc, write single quote is the function name, which stands for inclusive percentile. The first part of the formula, C2, C5v, specifies the range of data that Excel will look at to calculate the percentile. The second part, write single quote 0.60, write single quote comma, is the percentile value you're interested in calculating. In this case, the 60th percentile. It's important to note that the range you select should only include the data points you want to analyze. Be mindful of blank cells or outliers that could skew your results. Excel's percentile function is powerful, but like any tool, it requires careful use to ensure accurate outcomes. A couple of additional tips to enhance your Excel experience. If you're working with a large data set, you can use Excel's sorting feature to organize your data before applying the percentile function. This isn't necessary for the function to work, but it can help you visually verify that your data is in good order. Also, if you're interested in other percentiles, you can simply change the write single quote 0.60 write single quote in the formula to another value. For example, if you wanted to find the 90th percentile, you'd use write single quote 0.90 write single quote instead. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to calculating the 60th percentile in Excel. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to perform insightful statistical analysis, whether for personal or professional projects. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore further and experiment with Excel's numerous functions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy analyzing.